Okay, this is homework number 13. Number 1 on homework 13 is what is the surface area of the rectangular prism below? Okay, so there's a rectangular prism, and there's kind of the way to set it up that we've been talking about the past couple days. Okay, number 2. What is the volume of a sphere with a radius of 3 2/3 meters? So the radius, you can just use 3.6 approximately. It's 3.6 repeating, but you can just go ahead and use that. And use the formula for volume of a sphere, which is right there. And just plug it in and put it in your calculator. Number 3. What is the surface area of the cylinder shown below? So the radius is 6, and there is our formula for surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. And then number 4 is kind of an extension of number 3. Remember, scratch out surface area. We're looking for the volume of the same cylinder. So volume of the cylinder, volume equals area of the base times the height. And the area of the base is pi R squared to find that. Number 5, Angel and Dominic are raising money for a field trip. Angel is raising $4.25 each week and has already raised $20.50. So that's 4.25x plus $20.50. Dominic is raising $3.75 each week and has already raised $30. So 3.75x plus 30. Write an inequality for the number of weeks x when Angel will have raised more than Dominic. So Angel will be greater than. And then solve for x. Number 6, Brandon opened a savings account and deposited $400 as principal. The account earns 11% interest compounded annually. What is the balance after 7 years? So compound interest, there's the formula for you, and just put it in the formula, give you the balance. Number 7, what is the surface area of the cylinder below? So the radius is 25, surface area for a cylinder, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Number 8, does the following mapping represent y as a function of x? So yes or no. Number 9, another surface area for the rectangular prism. Okay, so there it is set up for you. Just the same things we did today. And then number 10, solve the following equation for A. So we have to distribute that first. 2 times 3a would give me 6a, which I've written for you. And 2 times 2 will give me plus 4. So just solve for A. And that's it.